to go away, and it's a fifth title. Unbelievable. Her quickest ever, 10:67.
Hey, what's up, Burritos? Welcome to another Countdown Quickie where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. I have to talk about the women's 100-meter finals just now. But before, I forgot to talk about that tragic moment that happened before the 110-meter finals. Like, what kind of goosums them put on the track? Why did that have to happen to Hansel Parchment? Hansel Parchment seems like as if he was in the prime of his life in terms of just like fitness, where his head was at, everything was really coming together for him to deliver and to get that gold at the World Championships this year. So it was just so unfortunate that he injured himself like while warming up on the track, like seconds, minutes away before the race commences. You can't make this thing up. Like I cannot relive this. I am still in disbelief. And then you have the American where him didn't have false start, but you know, I don't really care about the part there. Because, after Ansel was no longer performing, I could care less what happened to anybody else in the race. And so, you know, an American went on to win, and him put on one bag of excitement and theatrics, and I was just like, you basically were running against yourself. So why you going so like you did really fight against the competition and beat the odds in the race? Like, come on, sir, chill, calm down. So, you know, I just hope Sir Ansley is taking this in strides and he's not going to, you know, stress out himself about this, because he is still a phenomenal athlete and the Olympic champion. But now I forgot to jump into the pot coverific section, which is the women's 100-meter finals, where Shelly-Ann Fraser won the world title for the 5th time, making her the best, the greatest women's 100-meter sprinter ever in the world. And you can put your money back at that. Make me chat and I'm going to defend that. Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce is just the greatest. She's the GOAT when it comes to the 100-meter right now. Like, she is the athlete of all times, 100-meter athlete. Like right about now, when you talk about greatness, it have to be synonymous. You know, you talk about Bolt and you talk about Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. The only thing left for she to do right now is to beat Flojo's quote-unquote record. That is the only thing left for Shelly-Ann to really achieve in the 100-meter. And I have to go and big up, you know, Shericka Jackson for, you know, getting a personal best in the World Championship final. Like, come on now, man. Come on now. 7.3? 10.73? That's just absolutely amazing, and I hope I'm right with that time. And Elaine, Thompson-Herah for rounding out the top 3, giving us that clean sweep, securing the bronze medal for Jamaica. Because you know, say Dina Asha did come in, and then you have Talo and all kind of people that really are coming for a break up our little Dolly House. So I'm glad that the Dolly House was maintained, and that the girls, all 3 of the girls will be on the podium to end this night, because it would have really sad if I just Hansel thing was just left in our minds. Like, I'm just really happy for the girls them, and I can't wait to see how them, you know, like bring them energy to the 200 meter as well as the 4x1 relays that will be happening further down in the week. Anyway, Burritos, that is it, you know, another Countdown Quickie where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. So make sure to say you like, share, comment, and let me know. Just give me your thoughts on the race and what happened to Ansel Parchment. We just sound off in the comments and just like left all your Jamaican flag them. Okay, peace out.
Let's